live. Okay, so on Sunny Isle I found a coconut, and now I will open it to see. So this is first outer layer. I'm a coconut expert. It's better if you have a X. And it's important that you can hear the water inside. This one still has water. I don't have a lot of knives. I don't know how to do that, just a sec. So I open up one layer. It's soft, but it's very... I think at the end this will be very small. It's not easy to open this shit. I think that at the end of the day, yeah, it's not worth it. Oh, I made a small crack. I didn't know that coconut has so much layers. A little. So the next step I see in poking it like this. So I try to go around and like cut off. Look, it's so deep layer. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's giving away. Ooh, sweat inside.
Who are you? My name is Lina. I come from Turkey. I asked the questions, you answered the questions.
Where is the coconut? Okay, so after a lot of layers I got to the hard one. Coconut is very interesting. Look, it's so big, and actually I see inside it will be very smooth. Coconut is like a feeder. It's a lot around, but not a lot inside. I would need an X.
United Healthcare sabe que tienes mucha vida por delante. Pase lo que pase, puedes confiar en United Healthcare para confiarte con cobertura confiable de Medicare.
Officer, can I get your perspective as a man of the law?
No, all cop.
Let's say I obtain a car for less than you think it costs.
I don't follow.
You see this Hyundai Santa Fe?
Yeah.
This is how much I paid for it.
Enjoy your car.
Feels so right, it almost feels wrong. A Hyundai Getaway Sales Event.
Get a Hyundai Santa Fe with 0% APR for 60 months, plus 0 payments for 90 days, or lease for $279 a month. Hurry in.
Amazon offers hourly employees health care on day one for the whole family.
Very. They're getting closer. Mega. Yeah. Nice. Look how many layers is there. And don't tell me that all there is this small one. Almost there. It's like, wow, 1/3 of the size. Incredible. He's still not giving up. Ah. Finally. So this is coconut. You see, you get from the hole, and here it has 3 eyes, which is true, like expected. So from all this big coconut we got this one. Oh my god. Now I know why it's so expensive to buy coconut water.